All right, this is a quick demo for NousViz, and I'm going to show you a bunch of apps that we've built, and this is built with our SDK. So anyone can build these plugins. You just need your API keys. So you're looking at Jira, where we take a lot of the data from Jira, and we're able to create better visualizations of the existing data you see. So all we are doing is we're just taking the API keys, and we're basically saying, how can we reimagine Jira to make it better so Jira makes sense for us as a company? And that's exactly what we've done for this plugin. I'll go to another plugin, one I've built for Cloudflare. So if you've got a website, simply put, you want to know if Google is struggling to crawl your website. So I built a monitor that tells me when Google bot is struggling to crawl any page, and thankfully we don't have a problem, but if we did, it would show up here. And simply put, you want to find these problems before they become a major problem. Get response is another one I've built for analytics. So basically I can see my newsletter accounts, I can see which newsletters I've sent, and I can actually look at the data behind each newsletter to go which ones were successful and which ones generated a lot of clicks. Moving forward, I'm going to show you the Google Analytics one I built, where Google just recently added the LLM data inside the API key. So once you have your API keys, you're able to create and have this dashboard. So you get to see your LLM traffic, you get to see it broken down by geo, and most importantly, you're able to see it broken down by page and the metrics associated with it. And I'm just going to go to see what else I've got here. I've got an intercom plugin. So similar to Jira, we're able to reimagine this and kind of go, where are we seeing problems with support? Let me go to the Slack one because there's some cool things on this one. We actually have sentiment analysis, so we can actually see how is our team doing, and are we happy, or is anyone getting frustrated at anything? So pretty much you can visualize almost anything as long as you have API keys. And I'm going to show you one more, which is our parent company stats shown. So we wanted to see our affiliate stats, and if we look at effective rev share, we can kind of see things like what is the rev share, and this is helping us spot opportunities in data where sometimes you lose this in a sea of data, but we're able to make these things come to life. So that is a small collection of the plugins we built with NousViz, but it goes without saying there's a sea of API keys that you could integrate, and building a plugin can take as little as 10 minutes, and you can spend as much time of it in it as you want.